Hi friends, welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare beetroot chicken. To prepare this recipe, the ingredients that I require are I have taken 4 medium sizes of beetroots and I have cubed them. Small cubes you have to make nicely, wash it, peel it and then cut them into cubes. Here I have taken little chicken and I have cut them into small pieces. This is near about 200 grams of chicken. Here I have taken 2 big onions and I have chopped them finely. Here I have taken near about 12 cloves of garlic and 4 green chilies and I have chopped them nicely. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Here I have taken corn flour. I'll be using very little corn flour from this, half a teaspoon of corn flour, and salt as per our taste, oil for cooking. So now let's get started. Oh, here I have little fresh coriander leaves also. This is an optional. If you want, you can use, or else you can just leave this out. So now let's heat oil. While the oil gets heated, let us just add half a teaspoon of corn flour to this chicken and little soya sauce. I'm using light soya sauce, friends. And then I will mix it. After mixing this, I'll just keep it aside. This is just to give the chicken a light flavor. That's it. And I'll keep it aside. Here I have heated 2 tablespoons of oil. And now my oil is heated. So I will add the chopped garlic and the green chilies. You can reduce the quantity of the green chilies if you don't want your beetroot chicken to be that spicy. Now I will add the chopped onions also. And I will saute it together. Friends, the aroma of this burnt garlic is just awesome. So we will just take out the little rawness of the onion. So as you can see, our onion have turned a little white and it's slightly cooked also. So now we will add the chicken. Friends, please keep in mind when you add the garlic and the onion, make sure the gas flame is in medium low. And now just mix it together nicely, and on a medium flame just cook it for a while so that the chicken turns little whitish in color. So here is a chicken, slightly it has changed its color. Now I'm going to add the beetroot. And I'll mix it nicely. This recipe will have a lovely color, friends. So on a medium flame, I'm going to cover and cook this. So I'll cover and cook this for 10 minutes on a medium flame. After 10 minutes, I will remove the lid, and as you can see, the entire color has been changed. So I will add the remaining soya sauce, little bit of salt. Please keep in mind soya sauce is also salty, so just add little bit of salt as per our taste. And give it a mix. I will again cover it and leave it for another 5 minutes on a medium flame. Friends, you can also add little freshly ground black pepper powder if you want. After 5 minutes, I will remove the lid again and I'll just check. Friends, please keep in mind I have prepared this recipe on a medium flame because our beetroot needs to get cooked properly. And here my beetroot is cooked properly. Now I will add little fresh coriander leaves. This is optional. You can also add spring onion leaves to this, spring onion to this. Let's mix it a little bit. And our beetroot chicken is ready. So friends, here is our beetroot chicken ready to serve. You can savor this with bread, with rice, with roti. You can also pack this for the lunch box. So please like and subscribe my channel if you liked my recipe. Isn't it super easy? And you must try this because it's very tasty also. So friends, see you soon with my next recipe. Do try this at home and let me know. Bye.